Hello viewers, welcome to the APGI digital video lecture series. Today we are going to study about network topology. Basically, network topology is a combination of two words, network and topology, where network means interconnected devices or nodes, while topology refers to the layout. We can say that network topology is the arrangement of interconnected nodes in a network system in such a way that they can communicate with each other. Topologies are of two types, physical topology and logical topology. Physical topologies deal in network arrangement. Where the nodes have to be placed is managed in physical topology, while the data flow is managed in logical topology. Here we can see that various types of devices are connected to each other through a network. Now we will discuss about division of topologies, how topologies are categorized on the basis of their functions. Topologies are basically categorized on two categories, physical topologies and logical topologies. Physical topologies deal with the arrangement of nodes in a system, while logical topologies deals with the data flow in the. Here you can see in the picture various devices at various positions to a network is connected. The data flow between these devices doesn't depend on their position. The data flow only depend on the logic, not on their position. What are the different types of network topologies? Basically, network topologies are categorized into 5 categories. First, bus topology. Second, ring topology. Third, star topology. Fourth, mesh topology. And fifth one, hybrid topology. Now we will discuss each topology in detail. First one, bus topology. In bus topology, there is a common data sharing medium that is known as network bus. All the devices are connected to the network bus. The data is provided to that network bus. Devices receive their data from the network bus. Here we can see that there is a common bus. Various systems or networks are connected to the common bus. These are the terminal nodes. The data is transferred over the common bus and systems from the common bus receives the data. The main problem with the network bus is that if any particular node wants to send data to some specific node, it is not possible in network bus because the data shared by this particular node will go to the all the nodes present in the system. A copy of data is received by all the nodes present in the network. There is no privacy in bus topology. The advantage of bus topology is the data sharing is very fast or broadcasting is very easy in bus topology. But the disadvantage is there is no privacy, there is no security of data in bus topology. The next topology is ring topology. If we connect the nodes of bus topology, then it forms a circular loop. That circular loop represents ring topology. In ring topology, a node is connected to two of its neighbor, and the data transfer in ring topology is unidirectional, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. The major advantage of ring topology is fast and reliable data transfer, while the disadvantage of ring topology is if a single point of failure occurs in the entire ring, whole of the system will shut down. The third topology is a star topology. In a star topology, you can see that there is a central hub. All the devices are connected to that central hub. In a star topology, the data transmission depends on the central node that may be a hub or route. The hub receives the data from the sender and transmits it to the receiver to its destination where the data is required. The major drawback of star topology is that if a hub or the central node fails, then the entire system will be dead. There is no data transfer after the central hub is failed. We can keenly observe in previous topology, there is no one-to-one data transfer. But in star topology, you can send data to any particular node to any specific node. One-to-one data transfer is there. Now, our fourth topology is mesh topology. Here we can see in the diagrams, there are 5 computers, 5 nodes available. Each of the nodes are connected to all other 5 nodes. So, in mesh topology, all the nodes are interconnected to each other in a decentralized manner. In mesh topology, there is no centralization of data transfer. The data is transferred in decentralization. The major advantage of mesh topology is that it is fast, reliable, and fault tolerant. There is no risk of fault in mesh topology. The major disadvantage of mesh topology is that the cost is very high because a lot of cabling is requirement. For n number of connections, there is n minus 1 by 2 cables required to set up a fully connected mesh topology. Now let us observe the topological scenario given in the picture. There is star topology, ring topology, and bus topology in one network. Can we give it a single name? Yes, hybrid topology. When more than one topologies are connected in a single network, then this is called hybrid topologies. This setup is made to make fast and reliable data transfer. Hybrid topology transfers data very fast and reliably. For such informative and interesting videos, tune to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.